Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to assemble the AOS 5 frame. This is the bottom plate. So we need to take the longer screws and insert them into the holes in the bottom plate. A very tight fit. Two for the back arms. Some of the screws. So the arms go on like so. Super tight fit. This piece goes on the back. This is our sandwich plate. And these two washers go on the front to make sure the spacing for the standoffs is the same on everything. We take the standoffs and screw them on each one. Let's get this one in. Camera plates flip in here, and they go in. It should go all the way down to the bottom. Yes. So there's that one. The top plate, right around this way, and then the should clip into there. Should go in there. And now we use the smaller screws. So on the top. to do it. Hold each corner. Yep. I'm just going to use these screws, even though you notice the front two are not countersunk. With the rest of them, just to hold the frame in position for the moment. And that's, let's just do the bottom screws up. Just a little tight at the moment. And that's how simple the frame is to put together. Nice looking, very nice and strong. Notice you have 20 by 20, 30 by 30 mounts at the front and the back. And that's about it.